of that attack, hustle, wars. It's a classic example of why we need now ease and comfort in our life. Recently I was speaking to a group and उन्होंने बोला कि यार a corporate world इतना हमारे को थका देता है कि अगर हम जाके एक particular style of content consume करते भी हैं तो उसमें क्या ही problem है, forgetting कि उसमें ये problem है that it is almost on behest of the other person's mental well-being. So वहाँ पे nurturing वाला element तो चला ही गया. Why? Because they are not nurtured themselves. Because they themselves are going through the pain of just being a machine. We need to unmyth the feminine energy.
You also mentioned because हमारी ये जो feminine energy है कम होने की वजह से या disbalance की वजह से hormonal problems बढ़ रही हैं और menstrual cycles related problems हैं या PCOS, PCOD है, इसको भी हमें थोड़ा सा समझाइए.
I'm not a doctor in this. I'm not a gynecologist. Therefore, I will keep it to what I do know about it, what I have seen over a number of years while working with women through womb healing. So then what happens is that women who have early on, due to their experiences, rejected, because it helped them, rejected femininity, their female figures around them, due to what was happening to them. And while growing up, if the approach has been of doing and constantly having an outwards energy, that affects our hormonal balance. Because the hormone which helps us be active, stay active, do increases, and on the contrary, so those hormones which help us in resting, which help us in embracing our cycles, the cycles within, they go for a toss. And when they go for a toss, and when the other one increases, that is what leads to such concerns as PCOS, PCOD, endometriosis.